And it's Sunny Beach Life, the channel dedicated to Sunny Beach in Bulgaria, and it's August, it's really hot. We start off under a brolly in the shade having a cool drink. Then we go down the beach, show you what it's like. Ran with people, of course. So's the front, really busy, some new attractions. And we finish off having a cooling drink again, near the wheel this time. And
Doppeden, everybody.
From Sunny Beach on a scorching hot Monday.
Oh, it is hot.
It is so hot. Everybody's down the beach or by the pool. So we're sitting in Condor having just a refreshing drink before we start.
Andrew's had a bit of a shock. He had to go pay the telephone bill and the internet, so that's why he's sitting down.
Yeah, 2 mobiles and the internet for 12 months in one go. We just pay it annually. So we've been and done that. I'm going to sit down now because I don't like spending, obviously the shock of spending money.
Oh.
So it's very empty in Condor. Everybody's around the pool or down the beach.
It's so hot, as we said, so hot.
Yeah, nobody's in town. We're going to have a walk around, show you what it's like, and just see what's happening today. And well, we've actually left Condor, sitting under a brolly. It was lovely and cool, having a couple of chilled drinks there. We actually sat with some friends, some Irish friends, and we were discussing the prices because they just had a Long Island drink there.
Oh.
It was 1/3 of the price of drinking it down on Flower Street. It's amazing. 5 left 70 in Condor. They said they wanted 17 down Flower Street for the same drink.
Can you believe it? Yes.
10-minute walk. So much less, so much fun. But anyway, we're on Flower Street, we're at the magic board, and it is a scorcher. It's 34 degrees on here. Look at this. So if you are coming in the next couple of weeks,
Oh, it's still going to be lovely weather, folks.
yeah, the forecast is really hot right through to the end of August. It's going to be a scorcher this year.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
No sign of any rain at the moment, which we need, but
Yeah, no rain at all in sight. But there you go. 34 degrees, can't get better than that, can you? And of course, when you come on Flower Street, you can always look at the advertising boards. There you go. Well, look what's on that one. There's a poster up there, that's us. You'll probably see us around the resort if you're here on holiday in the next month. We're going to be in 2 or 3 days a week. We only live 5 miles away, not far at all. We do pop in, make our films all the time, and on a Tuesday night we have greet and meets at Crossroads. You can come and get a selfie and get your book signed from Susan. Wow, nice seeing your name up in lights, isn't it? Are we famous for 2 minutes while I'm standing here? Then it'll end.
And we did some information on Flower Street in the springtime when they was cutting the tree, the leaning tree of Flower Street. Pleased to say they didn't cut it all, and so it's nice to sit on this bench in the shade for 5 minutes. Oh, because it's so hot. So yeah, it's great. It's still here, but it's a little bit safer.
It doesn't seem to matter how many times we've done fantastic guide films to Sunny Beach, all the tips you want, what to do, what not to do. Still, we're seeing people go into these cash machines and take money out of these. Really expensive to use. Do not use these blue and yellow Euronet machines, whatever you do. We're also seeing people going to jump in taxis without asking the price. It's in all our guide films. We tell you all the time, don't do it. We were at a greet and meet, one of our meetings the other week, and this nice couple turned up, got charged 50 leather to basically come from Flower Street to the crossroads. It's 5 minutes in a taxi. Should have been 15 leather. Paid 50. So just go back through our guide films if you haven't seen them before and just check what to do and what not to do when you're in Sunny Beach. Don't get caught out. So this is really, really empty. It's 5:30. Most people are now making their way back from the beach to the hotels. It's fairly quiet. But we came down a couple of nights ago. It was absolutely rammed with people. We could not move at all. It was shoulder to shoulder. It was terrible. All the bins were overflowing. Nobody could cope with it. It was just too many people. That's the time we really avoid. Ourselves, we live here, we just don't come down this part in the peak season in August in the evening. Sometimes it just gets too busy. Just walk 10 minutes back, you can sit down, relax, get a nice chair, have a drink. Totally different experience.
Oh, it's lovely today on the beach. I wish I'd brought my swimming things, but alas, I didn't. I might have a paddle in a minute. But it's a green flag day for the sea today, so it's safe. So the other day when we was here, oh, it was so windy. So much better day today, green flag day. Oh, I'm going to have a paddle. Oh, no, it's that again. Take two. As I said, I'm going for a quick paddle. I can't resist. So see you down there in the sea.
Susan, hello.
Hello, Antonas.
Your favorite position number one.
Number one, lifeguard position number one.
Yeah, ideal.
Are you finished now for today?
6:30.
6 o'clock finish.
6:30.
6:30. Oh,
6:30. I go to drink one beer.
Oh, good. I don't blame you.
Irish Guinness beer.
Oh, lovely. You deserve it.
Yeah.
There's this green flag.
Okay, ideal.
Well, once again, the Black Sea is marvellous. It's wonderful. It's so refreshing being in there. And I got talking to number one lifeguard, Antonas. He's a lovely guy. So, green flag, perfectly safe here today. Oh, what more could you wish for?
Ready to go. And here we go. The drone is actually flying itself now. I'm not touching the controls at all. It's got a pre-programmed route in it. It's going to go out past the end of the jetty, look back at the resort, and then fly along the beach and film the jetty. And as it goes past the jetty, it's going to swing around and give you a view of the boat that's sitting there. There is a passenger ferry sitting there, a little one, waiting to go, so it's going to film that. And this is actually, I'm flying this completely hands-free. Look at that. No hands. Just keeping an eye on the map and the controller just to make sure I know where the drone is. So this is something I've been learning, but it would be hard to do this manually to fly this route. And of course, when the drone is finished, it's got to fourth waypoint, the fourth point as it goes along there. It will stop recording, turn around and come back to me. Well, that's the plan. So we're going to see what this turns out like. But look at this, I'm not touching it. It's now swinging around past the end of the jetty. I'm not even touching it. Hopefully a fantastic bit of film. And it's on its way back now. There you go. Thin. It's so different to when we started 3 summers ago doing YouTube, when we just had a GoPro camera on a little stick like this and a little mini drone. And now look at it all, we've got so much equipment, all the microphones and tripods. It's quite an effort actually moving around the beach now. Completely different, it's hard work. Phew. The only good thing is we know a lot more places to stop and have a drink than we did then. Makes it a nicer afternoon. We have to keep stopping. A little bit of refreshment as we're going. But there we go. That's Sunny Beach in August in the afternoon. Really, really busy. And lots of people about. Wow. It's sticky hot, that's what you want for your holiday. You want the heat, but for us we've got jobs to do at home, shopping and whatever. It's not so easy when it's hot. But we do take the odd afternoon like this and come down and have a look what it's like in the daytime. But normally, obviously, 5 o'clock onwards is when we come, when it cools down a little bit. More people about, more to film. There you go.
Hello.
How are you?
Hi. I can't go anywhere without being stopped. Takes a bit of time to make a film nowadays. There you go.
Oh, that's nice, isn't it, when you get stopped?
Yeah, somebody works at Fiesta Bar. So we're going to head north from the jetty just up here a little bit.
That's what I'm working.
And so it is fairly quiet time. Now, it's 6:10, so if people have got dinner in their hotel, they normally start that at 6 o'clock. So that's why there's a lot less people about this time. It takes about an hour and a half, so they can have their tea, their dinner. Then they'll come out for the night and wander around, go and see what entertainment is on offer.
And then this place will be absolutely packed. You struggle to get through.
Yeah, tonight the train will really struggle to get along here. It's going to be absolutely rammed, shoulder to shoulder. But we're always saying that for us, we go back 10 minutes where it's quite nice and a bit of space. Still get a seat in a restaurant, have your time, have your table for 2 or 3 hours, you're not rushed. Just going back a few minutes in the resort. It's only Flower Street, and the front actually gets overly packed, gets absolutely rammed. Rest of it is fine. Apart from the fact there's more cars here than there's ever been. It's really difficult to park. I've never seen so many cars in the resort as there are this year.
Oh, it's lovely. There's some lovely stalls here in Sunny Beach. Toys, gifts, clothes, and in a couple of hours these stalls will be heaving with people browsing for their gifts to take home. Ah, it's wonderful, a little bit of shopping when you're on holiday. Can I say my joke? I think he's been partying too hard in Sunny Beach. Oh, If you're a fan of haunted houses at the fair, then this attraction might be the one for you. The Horror Castle, new this year. I can hear a bit of screaming going on in there. It's not for me though, because it'd be too frightening for me. But maybe you want to give it a go.
If you're enjoying the video, Disney boot owner, hit the like button. Really helps us get the video shown to more people. Thanks a lot.
Well, we've decided to stop in Aura and just have another drink because it is a bit warm and it's hard work because we're walking. We haven't got our scooter out tonight. That's a bit of a shock to the system now. So anyway, we're going to have I'm driving. So Andrew will have a small beer and I'll have a lemonade, I think. They do some lovely homemade lemonades.
Started with nothing, but always was dreaming. I was working hard through all the seasons. Tried to be great, yeah, I had a reason. Get my family out the struggle, believe me. Don't wanna see my mama cry no more. So I had to get it run through the door. We ain't living like this no more.
Well, the best bit of stopping for a little bit of refreshment on the promenade, right on the front here, is the fact you can people watch. Time just goes past you looking at all these folk going by, these tourists from different countries. Oh, it's amazing. So many different people, and it just makes an afternoon, a couple of hours, very interesting. Seeing who's going past. And of course, a cold beer, or Susan's got a fantastic homemade lemonade. There you go. She's driving me home. But of course, most of you will be on holiday, you'll be flying here, so you won't be worried about driving home, will you? You can come and enjoy yourself.
Also, to be a non-Andrew's senses with my driving. That's a bonus, isn't it?
Yeah, I don't notice the mistakes so much. All right, Nastravi.
There's got to be everybody. Oh.
That'll do.
Yeah.
Coffee time, the best time. A belated happy birthday, Susan.
Thank you very much, Michael. Thank you very much.
The whole posse here.
Oh, have you?
9 of us.
Oh,
Kids,
right.
grandkids, daughters, stepdaughters, and four grandchildren.
What, here in the Aura?
Here in Sunny Beach.
Well, we're in Aura a lot longer than planned. We're just going to stop for a quick bit of refreshment.
Oh, yeah, that's because Andrew left me sitting there while he went to fly the drone again.
Yeah, well, luckily a friend turned up, wanted to have some food, so the time went really quickly.
It is when you're chatting, it's lovely.
Yeah, I got some nice light along the beach there. Just it's getting dark, so we're going to head off home now because we've left our cats inside this afternoon.
Oh, yeah. Well, I was fast asleep. I didn't have the hat to disturb them.
Yeah, going to be really hungry when we get back. So it's ciao ciao for now.
Ciao, ciao, everybody.
See you again later.
Bye.
Please subscribe and hit that notification bell. You won't miss anything in Sunny Beach because we film the entire season from start to finish. Not just here on a week's holiday, we actually live here. Thanks a lot.